Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Cursor versus Vscode Cline. We'll dive into how these two powerful coding environments approach software development, highlighting their unique features and benefits. Cursor, with its deep artificial intelligence integration, offers a different workflow compared to Visual Studio Code's robust remote development and command line interface. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which tool aligns best with your personal or team's development style, helping you make an informed decision for your projects. Cursor stands out as an AI-first code editor, deeply integrating artificial intelligence into its core functionality. It's built upon the familiar Visual Studio Code foundation, but with native AI capabilities that truly accelerate development. Imagine having an intelligent assistant that can generate multi-line code, refine existing code, and even help debug issues by analyzing your codebase. Its chat interface allows you to ask questions directly about your project, making it feel like a true pair programmer, significantly boosting your efficiency and understanding. 2, 7, 8, 9, 11, 17, 22, 23. Visual Studio Code, particularly its remote development and command line interface, offers unparalleled flexibility. You can connect to a remote machine, a container, or even the Windows subsystem for Linux, and experience a full-featured development environment. This means your source code can reside on a powerful server, while you enjoy the rich user interface and extensions of Vscode locally. The remote SSH extension, for example, allows you to open a remote folder and debug applications as if they were on your local machine, providing a truly seamless experience. 1, 3, 4, 6, 12, 16, 18. Deciding between Cursor and Vscode Cline depends on your priorities. If you're seeking an editor where artificial intelligence is deeply integrated, offering advanced code generation, debugging, and codebase understanding, Cursor is an excellent choice. However, if your workflow demands robust remote development capabilities, a vast, free extension ecosystem, and a highly customizable environment, Visual Studio Code with its remote features is ideal. While Cursor offers a compelling AI-first experience, its subscription model, often around $20 monthly, is a factor to consider against Vscode's open-source availability. 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.